Hey, just a quick overview about how to use this small heart rate sensor. Let me share my screen. So there is a text tutorial that is linked to in the curriculum that goes through everything. I mean, the most important thing is this wiring diagram, so you can see kind of where things are connected. The other thing that's a little bit weird about this particular sensor is that it uses this different baud rate. So usually our baud rate is 9600, but it's using a faster baud rate. Unfortunately, because of this, our online Arduino web editor that we usually use for our code, it just really, I mean, you can try it. Mine was not able to get any information at this higher rate. And so let me just pull it up. Oh, what was it called? Heart? Is there see a heart anywhere? Heart rate monitor. So here is the code. You can definitely upload it to the Arduino once you have the wiring, set. And then to actually see the heart rates, it's printing off the heart rates to what they call the serial monitor. And to see the serial monitor on the web, you would click on this monitor. So this is usually how you do it. I think we've done this with our proximity sensor before. And my serial port is busy because I actually have this opened up on the online version. Let's see here. Let's close out of this. Let's see if this works now. There we go. So usually, I mean, what typically you should be able to do is you should be able to change this baud rate to 115200. However, when you do that, you still are not going to be seeing anything here. I think it's just a glitch within this online web editor. So what that means is that we're going to have to use the desktop IDE. So there's a tutorial on how to get that installed and running, but you should get that installed onto your computer. It looks like this. Once it's up and running, save any of this. And so the simplest thing to do is just to take this code, press Command Control A to select everything, Control C to copy it. Then we're going to move over to our desktop version of this software. We're going to press Control A to select all of this. Now we're going to press Control V to paste, and it's going to delete the other stuff. And so now we've got our heart rate monitor. Everything's included. However, one thing you'll see is that we are missing a library. We're missing this max 30105 library. And so to install this library, you're going to need to go up into Tools, and you're going to need to go to Manage Libraries. You're going to search for the max 30105. It goes into this in that online tutorial. Max 30105, maybe. It updates my listed libraries soon enough. That's 301. Probably enough. So here it is, max 3010. 30100 library. It's this one right here. So looks like I've already installed it. Is this the right one? Let me double check. Looks like I've got some. So it should look like this. It should look like the SparkFun Max 3010. Yeah, I feel like it should be that SparkFun Max 30. Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, no. Here it is. Yeah, okay, I've got this one installed too. All right, so this is the library that you need. So press install, get it installed, and press close. And then you should be all set. And so you can see that our serial baud rate is at this higher level, which is fine. We can upload this to our Arduino. And then to actually see the heart rates, we're going to need to open up the serial monitor. And I have the serial monitor still open in my online version, so I need to go close that out. Too many windows. Let's close out the serial monitor there so we can open it up here. There we go. All right. So we've got our serial monitor open. And we're going to need to change this to 115200. Changing that to 115200. If we have everything wired in and we have our code loaded, we should be able to put our finger against the sensor and we should start seeing outputs here. And that's pretty much it. Follow along. There's probably going to need to be some adjusted coding within here because the heart rate sensor, at least the one that I was testing, was telling me that my heart rate was like 200 beats per minute. I think that's quite right. So we might need to adjust the code, but that's down the road. Let's just get it working first. Yeah, good luck.